How's it going, guys? Carl here, and today in Power BI we're going to be creating map visuals. Alright, so let's go ahead and get right to it. We're going to come over here to the visuals and we're going to click on map, and we'll see that a map will pop up with a few bubbles in here. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the map. So just keep in mind, whenever you're using this map visual, you need something like the city, something like the state, or you need longitude and latitude, as you see here. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start out with the state. So we'll go location here. So we'll have state. So once you do that, you'll see that everything will populate with the state that is located. You have a legend as well. So if you want to add a legend to this, you can do that. And as you can see, depending on the region that the state is in, it is color coordinated to that particular area. We don't have any longitude and latitude here, so we're going to skip those two and just go to bubble sizes. The bubble sizes is just another word for values. So once you add the cells there, you'll see that those bubble sizes change based on the amount of cells in the particular state as well as the particular region. All right, so let's continue to go ahead with this visual. So we've done this part, so let's go ahead and format it so we can get rid of that and format it just to give you some space to see. And again, we can do a visual border and a shadow. You also have here a map title, so we can just call it map cells by state and region. All right, we'll just give it that title, and we can also center that in the middle as well as change the font. And if you don't want the legend, we can also move the legend later. So we can take the legend and just move it in the center or the right, or we can just get rid of the legend altogether. For the sake of this, we can leave it there for now. If we go to our map settings, we see that our map has different styles. So we have an aerial map, a dark map, a light map, and a grayscale map. I'll just go to the aerial map just to show you what that looks like and give you the chance to pause the video here if you want to just explore this a little bit more. You can turn on or off the show labels. So if we turn off the show labels, it won't show the labels of the states, but if you turn it on, it will. All right, and if we go down here to bubbles, we see that we can set the bubble size. It says the range is set to auto, or you can magnitude, or you can change it to date range, or you can just keep it at auto. Now the sizes of the bubble are default -10. You can increase that if you want, or you can decrease it as well, or you can just leave it at -10. So if you want to just leave it there, we can just leave it there. We can change the colors of the region if we want to do that. So if we want to see a different color in a particular region, we can also just change the color to a region if we want to do that, just by going to the colors. And for a category label, if we want the states to just appear above the bubbles, we can just click on that, and then the state will appear above the bubbles. All right, so if you guys enjoyed that, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And that is how you create a map visual in Power BI. My name is Carl Huff. Peace.